Hi everyone, Rachel here from 360 Life Safety to finish our discussion of our mTAKs with our mTAK, or our Multiple Trauma Aid Kit. This product is so beneficial to add to any large settings such as sports arenas or fields, gymnasiums, body shops, large office or retail settings, and houses of worship, just to name a few. It comes fully stocked with the ability to treat 5 to 15 people depending on the nature of the wound per kit. Let's dive in and take a look at what this mTAK has. You have 2 different types of tourniquets that you can help stop the bleed in those limbs. You have your SWAT tourniquet, or your stretch, wrap, and tuck tourniquet, your soft tourniquet, or special operation forces tactical tourniquet, the ability to pack a wound for those areas where you can't tourniquet with hemostatic gauze called quick clot. This helps in the coagulation of blood. And also you have the ability to treat a penetrating chest wound with occlusive seals, as well as a variety of other additional support items that include gloves and safety glasses, a CPR mask, and emergency blankets, as well as an assortment of bandages that include pressure bandages, also known as Israeli bandages, gauze, pads, co-bands, tape, and shears. The mTAK also comes with a litter, also known as a soft stretcher, and this is going to be located inside your wall enclosure. Now, all of our mTAKs are packaged the exact same way and equipped with this inventory sheet that comes in the top of your mTAK, just like a box of chocolates. And with the strategically designed partitions, this allows you, the immediate responder, valuable time because you know where the product is located and that it hasn't shifted. So there's no need to dig and waste moments when you could be tending to that victim. And the wall-mounted enclosure allows you to create that safety station along with an AED or a fire extinguisher. So it's in one solid location, and you know it's never going to sprout legs and wander off. Your mTAK will be there for you always when you need it. And just like that fire extinguisher, our mTAK comes with an inspection card and these blue temper tags. So when you're inspecting your mTAK, just check to make sure the temper tags are in place. There are additional temper tags also on the inside of your kit as well. That's our mTAK, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety, as always, helping you to be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. If you want to learn more about these amazing products, go ahead and check us out at www.360lifesafety.com. As always, until next time, stay safe.